Hi and welcome to UC and Collaboration Projects. This is the introductory video for the video series that I'm creating. Why UC and Collaboration Projects? Well, basically I wanted to make a standard for me and might as well, while I'm doing it, share with the rest of the world. This is a collection of Cisco UC and collaboration technologies, some stuff that I've been going over for the past 7 years and that I find really interesting. Then I think this is gonna be a nice library with, along with best practices, things that make you save time, and interesting implementation stuff that you're gonna see in this series. So what I'm gonna be talking about, I'm gonna be talking about the life cycle of a collaboration project. This is just a brief introduction about it. There's some methodology behind it. What I'm gonna be working with, the technologies, the applications, the devices, and some tips and tricks that I wanna share with everybody out there. The life cycle of a collaboration project is really behind the planning, the designing, implementing, and documenting your solution. But at the beginning, when I started this slide, I didn't want to include the pre-sales process, but I thought it was going to be very interesting for you as somebody that is in the field working as a consultant. What happens at the pre-sales project, at the pre-sales phase of a project, and you as a client, what happens, what to expect, and what you're gonna be seeing on that process. The methodology is really easy. It was based on the planning, designing, and implementation plus documentation. But this is gonna be an opportunity to see that not all projects are equal, but it's a nice opportunity to do the right thing for every project that you work on. We're gonna gather information. We're gonna get as much information as possible, and then we're gonna be able to deliver the solution, a strong solution, a very good solution that it's gonna be used for years to come. I'm gonna be working with Communications Manager 11.5. We're gonna use 11.5. That is as of this recording. Maybe there's another version coming in, but this one is gonna be based on 11.5. Unity Connection, IAM Presence, the Expressway series, based right now on version 8.8, and Unified Contact Center Express. We're gonna go very basic into the basic configuration aspects of all of those, and then we're gonna move to the advanced things. We're gonna move into advanced user features in Call Manager. We're gonna see how to integrate Unity Connection with voicemail, how to do the pin syncing with Call Manager. We're gonna see what do we need to use the Expressway series servers. The licensing is free, so it's interesting, but there's a lot of moving parts on that. And then we're gonna go with Contact Center. Contact Center is gonna be basic at the beginning, and then we're gonna go very deep into configuring and integrating with other things that are available. The last thing is gonna be based on the tips and tricks that I think will make your life easier. We're gonna know, and maybe it's gonna be painful to be doing planning and designing before we even implement. Really, us as engineers, we just wanna get there and complete the project. But we're gonna work efficiently around the planning and the designing. We're gonna know what to document, and the last one is gonna be something that I think will help everybody to minimize support after you finish a project. So I hope you enjoy watching this series, and there's gonna be a lot of information to cover, so hang with me there, and thank you so much for watching.